Wirth here with Rhino Tool House, bringing you industrial innovations in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to focus on the Estic Handy2000 Touch and their corded DC line of assembly tools. The Handy Touch has a lot of features, including 99 different parameter sets or channels, the ability to run multiple piece sets per tool, and calibrating per joint, so different cal factors per joint. This particular tool is a 70 Newton meter pistol. What makes it really special is that we have a transducer inside of here, which gives us that safety critical accuracy that we all crave. But it also has a special feature inside the motor where we're able to fine tune and run forward and reverse and dial that in milliseconds, which causes or creates a reactionless effect to the operator. Example here. See the green light here on the tool? That was 16.23 Newton meters, and I'm barely holding on to it with my hand. Now, if I were running that with a straight continuous drive tool, there's no way I would be able to hold on to that. The action would just be too great. If you'd like more information on Estic or any other products in the Rhino Tool House 2-minute drill series, please reach out to your local sales engineer. I'm Alex Wirth. Thank you for your time.